Across the freight rail network, rail employees use advanced technology to make an already safe system even safer. One of the latest cutting-edge safety tools freight railroads have developed and deploy is the Digital Train Inspection Portal, or DTIP. DTIPs are one of the many technology-driven safety strategies railroads use. They serve as an automated checkpoint, scanning trains as they pass, evaluating the condition and performance of many critical components, and flagging potential safety issues without requiring the train to reduce speed. Here's how it works. Step 1. A freight train rolls through the portal at normal speed, allowing railroads to get a more accurate sense of how components are performing, being used as intended, rather than when a train is standing still. Step 2. Precisely aimed cameras capture detailed images as the train passes, focusing on wheels, bearings, brakes, couplers, and undercarriage components. Lasers and other sensors may also be used to monitor mechanical conditions. Step 3. Software instantly turns that data into a digital health record for every railcar. Step 4. AI systems equipped with complex algorithms scan the images of the passing railcars to identify possible issues that require attention or monitoring. Step 5. For issues that require attention, the system pinpoints the exact railcar and component and alerts railroad employees. Step 6. Railroads use that information to determine how to handle the car and can develop more predictable plans to inspect and repair it, fixing small issues before they become bigger problems. This is modern rail safety. Human expertise powered by cutting-edge technology.